All right, we're at the Denver Marriott West here in Lakewood.
I think this was a Dover mod TK room.
That's Montgomery door track. These were Montgomery.
Ah, Montgomery.
Oh, sounds like these are traction too.
Looks like they used to be chrome.
Oh yeah.
Floor 1.
Interesting motor.
Yeah.
Floor 6.
Take a quick peek out here.
Would this be top drive or bottom drive?
I don't know. It sounds like top, maybe?
Look up the shaft. Probably
Too
top.
dark. Well, we'll listen closely.
Alright. End on one?
Uh-huh. Top.
Yeah.
TAC 50. Looks like it used to either, might have been a VFD.
Could have been the TAC 32T controllers too.
No, TAC 32T doesn't do the thing where the arrow goes out.
It does, the hospital elevators does.
Oh, they do? Interesting. Anyway, that's all.